Some of you out there are still wondering nowadays why people are still rocking long nails. Well, that's because you guys don't understand the history, how deep long nails go in the Hoochie Mama era. If you see any young teenage girl getting long nails done nowadays, you know their mama came from the Hoochie Mama era. The Hoochie Mama era runs deep, y'all. In the year 2000, that's all the mommy was repping, man. Walking into the salon, long nail, stiletto, airbrush, diamond, the longer, the better. They were rocking it hard because the set was only $30, y'all. And then 2008 hit, economy crashed. Some of the Hoochie Mama lost their house, their job. They can't keep up with their long nails. They were sad because they had to feed their kids over the long nails. They don't want to lose the Hoochie Mama era. So they pass it down to the kids. As the kids are young, growing up, being fed, they tell their kids, baby, once mama get a job, mama gonna take you to the salon. Once I collect all the child support from your daddy, I will get you the long nails that you want. Once I get qualified for WIC, I'm gonna make sure I get you those long diamond nails that you like. And all the girls was like, I'm excited, mommy. So now they grown up, they're teenage. And they're like, you know what? If I'm not getting long nails, I'm not getting nails at all because that's how my mama trained me. So you know the Hoochie Mama runs deep.